Hey everybody, welcome to this video. I just want to let you know that this video was inspired by Fox and Nick Really Rule. So I want to give credit to Fox and Nick Really Rule for the idea. Fox and Nick Really Rule, he had a video called Super Y and Alpha Pig Dance on the Disrespect and Assembly. This video is inspired by him. So I'm just... Hold on, I'm just getting into... Alright. Anyways, on with the video. Alright, class. It's time for the assembly. Everyone line up. Okay. Stupid assembly. Meanwhile, when they saw Lola Bunny. Just getting ready for this scene. Here we go. Aha. Meanwhile, this is the scene where, where every student saw Principal Stormtrooper. Alright, everybody, settle down. Everyone, settle down, please. Thank you. Alright. Alright, let's start with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now let's talk about some upcoming events. First of all, on Tuesday, November 30th, our 7th and 8th grade musical will be happening in the auditorium. It will be Willy Wonka. Tickets are $15 and free for seniors. Now let's welcome the D to the stage. Everyone claps. Woohoo! Alright, thank you, Principal Stormtrooper. I have an announcement to make. 1, I will be selling clothes. I will be selling snow pants starting today through Monday the 29th. Anyways, yeah. Hey, Snide. Yeah? You know how, we hate these assemblies? How about we disrespect it by yelling some mean things to the principal? Ha! Good idea. We'll get up there. Hey, what the? Snide, Lola Bunny. We're here to say something. Snide, I am being serious. Sit back down now. We have to say something to the principal. You are the worst principal ever. I hate you so much. Yeah, you deserve to be destroyed. Boo! Look at all these classes. Mario, Dry Bowser Jr., Bloom, and the Little Einsteins. You made them all boo at you. You are all in big trouble. We will have a talk with your parents about the situation. Uh-oh. Meanwhile, at Principal Stormtrooper's office, so far, so great. So far, so good. I hope you guys enjoy this so far. Oh, I don't, alright. Meanwhile, with Lola's dad and Snide's parents. Alright, the D and Principal Stormtrooper, what did my daughter Lola do this time? I have the same questions as Omnikit's Jet Ray. What has our son Snide done this time? Yeah, same with my babe and Omni-Kit's Jet Ray. Well, Omni-Nut Heat Blast, TAM 1200, and Omni-Kit's Jet Ray. The reason why I'm here and what they did is that. Explain, Principal? Yes, the D. What they did was that they yelled at really disrespectful things during our assembly. They said that I was a stupid teacher with no life. Snide did what? Oh, he's so grounded. Yeah, he is so gonna get punished. Yes, you're welcome. Oh, and you want to listen up to this, Omni-Kit's Jet Ray. Yeah? I am sending your daughter 10 pages of homework that they have to complete through today and Saturday. Okay, I will tell them. Same thing with Snide. I will let him know. Oh, and a penalty is that our next time we have the assembly, they will be sitting in the back with seats that'll only teachers can remove. Bye, everybody. Bye. Meanwhile, with Snide. Snide, why on earth would you disrespect an assembly like that? You know that is extremely heartless and you could get in trouble. Thanks to you. You are now suspended for 2 weeks. I don't care. Yeah, but you have 10 pages of homework that you must complete. I expect 2 of these sheets done by today. Now start working. No. Now the time to do the scene with Lola Bunny. Lola Bunny! Uh-oh. What is wrong with you? Why would you do that? You are so grounded. You realize that now thanks to you, you're suspended for 2 weeks. And because of this, you are grounded for 9 years. And you're also suspended for 2 weeks. And also, start this homework that I got. Because me and Snide's parents got this after you disrespected the assembly. No. You listen here. I am going to do no. First punishment, yelling in your ear. Second punishment, farting on your face. And final punishment, sitting on you. Now go to your room. No. Ha, deal with it. And that is the end of this grounding video. I just want to let you know about my next videos. The Win or Be Hit episode is uploading tomorrow on Sunday. That's tomorrow. And then it'll also be up, not tomorrow, on Saturday. Sorry. Actually, no, yeah, Sunday. It'll upload Sunday. Then Monday, it will be apparently, what was it? Oh, yeah, I'm starting a new grounding series. Can you guess what it is? It's either the Dry Bowser Jr. Gets Grounded series or Minion Gets Grounded. You might want to guess. Anyways, that's it for this video. Also, this video was once again inspired by Fox and Nick Really Rule. Credit to Fox and Nick Really Rule. And that's all I have to say. Yeah. Also, the Win or Be Hit thing. Sorry if this is taking long, but they were using toys like these. So these could be acceptable. Not this. Like, not Word document. But anyways, that's all I gotta say for this video. And most importantly, signing off. Bye, everybody. This is the D signing off.